Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a good numbering system. See, here is one example. See, you have received a work to make a seat planning for 10,000, maximum 10,000 students. So you know the minimum candidate number is 1, maximum candidate number will be 10,000. So you know the maximum digit of this number may go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means the first number of the seat will have 4 0 before 1. Okay. So if you want to do it, so how you will do it? Okay. So if I want to write 0 0 0 and 1, if I click enter, then my left side 0 has disappeared. So how I will show this 0 in my numbering system? Okay, for this you have two options. You can make one cell as text. Okay, let me click any of the cell and make it text. Okay, so here I will put 0 0 0 1. Okay, if I now drag it and fill it up, okay, as much as I want. So here 4 0 and last digit is 1. Here it has taken 3 0 and 2 digit. Okay, at this cell it has taken 3 digit as number and 2 digit 0 before the 101. Okay, this system have one problem. You cannot sum up the text or sum up the number into the cell. Okay, you can only see the number as text. Okay, you can do this without this text adding option. You can do it in other way. So for this, you click the cell where you want to put the exact numbering system. So you put equal sign and type text and give first bracket, and then you want to which value you want to put in number system. So I am clicking 1 because I want to put the 1 into my numbering system. Then bread comma and put second quote, and then how much digit you want. So I want 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5. For 5 digit I will put 5 0 and I will then again give second quote and close it by bracket. If I hit OK, see it has taken automatically 4 1 digit and 4 0. Okay, whatever value it will find in the left side, it will take, and the rest of the digit it will take as 0 up to 5th digit. Okay, if I now drag it down, okay, see it has taken automatically all number. Okay, the benefit of this option is here the value is in number to store as number, but previously the value was stored as text. This value you cannot sum up, you cannot make average, you cannot find maximum value, but here you can find any of the specific number and you can make any sum, you can make any order, or if you want to make any analysis in your data processing. Hope this video will help you. If you are a new friend, please don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of our new video.